Want to stay focused and boost productivity? Today, I'll show you how to utilize focus modes on your iPhone to minimize distractions and get more done. Access focus mode. Open Settings on your iPhone and scroll down to Focus. Here, you'll see preset modes like Do Not Disturb, Personal, and Work. You can also create custom modes tailored to specific activities, like studying or working out. Customize your focus settings. Tap on any mode, e.g., Work, to customize it. You can choose which notifications or calls to allow during that mode. For example, you might allow only calls from family or notifications from work apps like Slack or Microsoft Teams during work hours. Set up automatic activation. Under Turn on automatically, you can set up schedules to activate focus modes. For instance, you can set your work focus to turn on at 9 a.m. and turn off at 5 p.m. automatically, helping you stay productive during office hours without manually toggling it every day. Sync across devices. Make sure Share across devices is enabled if you want your focus mode settings to apply on all your Apple devices, like your iPad and Mac. This ensures you're not disturbed by notifications on other devices while using your iPhone in focus mode. Create a custom focus mode. If the preset modes don't meet your needs, tap Custom to create your own focus mode. You can select specific apps and contacts to allow or block, set custom home screen layouts, and even use focus filters to adjust app behavior like limiting which emails show up in Mail. Summary of notifications. Focus mode also allows you to set a notification summary, which bundles non-urgent notifications to deliver them at a set time, helping you avoid constant distractions throughout the day. Check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Cyber Theo.